Next, let us move on to exercise sums. Exercise sums, yesterday we have seen the illustration sums. Isn't it? The same model only. You can recollect the nature of mistake and the effect of mistake and rectification. I have given the tabular column. You can recollect the tabular column. Based on the tabular column only, we are going to do this exercise sums. Overcasting of purchases book means nature of mistake. Purchases book overcast means what will be the effect? Purchases book will be the debit balance, isn't it? So excess debit, credit the purchases. So excess credit or debit means, excess debit means you have to credit the purchases account. Whatever it may be. Excess credit in purchases return means you have to debit the purchases returns account. Short credit means you have to give further credit. Short credit in sales account means you have to give further credit. Short debit in sales returns account means you have to give further debit. Are you clear? So, goods purchased on credit from Saranya for rupees 150 was posted to the debit side of the account. So, say Saranya account should be credited because excess debit. So, excess debit, how can you rectify the mistake? By crediting the same account. Crediting the respective account, we can rectify the mistake. Then, purchases, total purchases book rupees 4,000 was posted twice. So, what will be the effect? Posted twice means what? Purchases return book is overcast. So, purchases return book overcast means what? Excess credit in purchases. So, that what will be the effect? So, purchases book. So, purchases book is overcast. So, purchases book excess debit. So, we have to credit the purchases book. Then, exercise number 2. Rectify the following errors discovered before the preparation of trial balance. That is single side error. Single side error means you should write the explanation alone. No need to write the journal entry. So, sales book was overcast. Sales book was undercast by 100. So, sales book was undercast by 100 means, see, sales book is, what is the meaning? Sales book is undercast. Undercast means what is the meaning? Short credit. So, you should give further credit. Then, purchase return book was overcast by 200. So, purchase returns book overcast. So, excess credit. So, we have to debit the purchases returns. Are you clear? Then, let us move on to exercise number 3. Rectify the following errors assuming that the trial balance is yet to be prepared. Sales book was undercast by 400. Sales book undercast. Short credit. So what we have to do? Short credit, give further credit. So sales account should be credited with rupees 400. Are you clear? Short credit in the sales account means you should give further credit. You have to write the explanation alone. Then sales return book was overcast by 500. So sales return book was overcast. What is the meaning? Sales book overcast means what is the meaning? That is sales return book undercast means short debit. Sales return book overcast means excess debit, isn't it? So overcasting means what is the meaning? Nature of mistake, excess debit. How to rectify? So, you can rectify the mistake by crediting the sales returns account. Are you clear? Then, returns. Purchase book was undercast. Purchase book undercast means short. Nature of mistake, purchase book is undercast. Mistake is short debit, isn't it? Undercast means total is less. Short, more, less. These are all conveying same meaning only. So, less, short debit. So, what we have to do? Short debit means purchase book, short debit. What we have to do? Give further debit. Give further debit. Purchases book is undercast. Undercast means what we have to do? Give further debit. Short debit, give further debit. Then purchases return book was overcast by 700. Purchases return book is overcast. So, purchases is a debit balance, isn't it? Purchases return is a credit balance. So, excess credit. So, want to debit the respective account. So purchases returns account should be debited. So excess credit means the nature of mistake, effect of mistake is excess credit means how to rectify the mistake. You have to debit the purchases returns. Then bills receivable book was under cost by 800. Bills receivable book is a debit, isn't it? Short debit. What we have to do? Short debit, give further debit. Short debit, give further debit in the respective account. You have to rectify the mistake. Bills receivable account should be debited with 800. Are you clear? Now let us move on to exercise number 4. Let us move on to exercise number 4. I will explain the sum. Rectify the following errors before preparing the trade balance. The total of purchase book was carry forward 90 less. So purchase book is 90 less, isn't it? So purchase under costing of purchases book. So what will be the effect? So short debit, give further debit. Short debit, give further debit. You can short debit means you have to give further debit. Short credit means you have to give further credit. Excess means only we have to do the opposite. Then next one, purchase book was carried forward rupees 180 more. So purchase book was over cost. Excess debit. So what we have to do? Credit the respective account. Purchases account should be credited with rupees 180. Simple sum, very easy. Then sales book was, the total of sales book was carried forward rupees 270 less. Less means what? Under costing. So short credit. What we have to do? So further credit. You have to give further credit. Sales account should be credited with rupees 270. Then purchase, the total of sales return book was carried forward rupees 360 more. So sales return should be over costing, isn't it? So excess debit, isn't it? So we have to give further credit. Excess debit, we have to give further credit. Sales return account should be credited with rupees 360. Then next one, the total of purchases return book was carried forward rupees 450 less. So what will be the effect? So short credit, isn't it? So purchases return is carried forward less. Under costing of purchases returns. So short credit. So give further credit. So for purchase returns account should be credited with rupees 450. Now let us move on to exercise number 5. Now let us move on to exercise number 5. That is, the following errors that are located by the accountant before preparation of trade balance, rectify them. The total of discount column, that is 1100 debit side of the cash account was not posted. So discount allowed, what is that? Debit side of the discount column means discount allowed column. So discount allowed is a short debit, isn't it? So what we have to do? Give further debit. Short debit, give further debit the respective account. Discount allowed account should be debited with rupees 1100. Now next one is discount. The total of discount column on the credit side of the cash book was under cost. Credit side of discount column, you can recollect the triple column cash book. Credit side, what we will write? Discount received. So what will be the nature of mistake? The nature of mistake will be short credit. This can be rectified by further credit. Discount received account should be credited with rupees 500. Then let us move on to third transaction. Purchase the goods from Anbu Selvam on credit rupees 700 was posted to the debit side of his account. See, this is very important one. Excess debit, isn't it? So excess debit, what we have to do? By crediting the respective account, we can rectify this mistake. So his account alone, excess twice they have posted, isn't it? So that how to rectify? Anbu Selvam account should be credited with 1400. Are you clear? Next one. Fifth. Next transaction. Sale of goods to Ponnu Gill on credit for rupees 78 was posted to her account plus ₹87. So what will be the effect? Excess debit. Excess debit. Ponmugil account is excess debited. So what we have to do? By crediting the respective account, we can rectify this mistake. Ponmugil account should be credited with ₹9. The explanation alone want to write, you should not write the journal entry because one side error. Then the total of sales return book was 550 was posted twice. So sales return book should be excess debit, isn't it? Sales is a credit balance. Sales return is a debit balance, isn't it? So excess debit, how to rectify? By crediting the respective account, this mistake will be, this error will be rectified. So sales return account should be credited with ₹500. This is how all the first 5 illustrations, same model. First illustration 5 and also exercise number 5, both are same model. Let us move on to illustration number 6 further.